Nigga, call us
turn the light on.
Niggas wanna see us, they can't see us. We CSC, we in, can't be touched. They wanna step up, get Chris on the mic, get Carl on the mic, get Chris doing.
You see what happens when you give niggas technology? Niggas go fucking crazy. That's why niggas be saying in the hood. Niggas get technology go crazy.
He don't know because he sound like Dr. Seuss. I can't understand you. Go back to China so I can understand you.
He might shine.
It don't really fucking matter. We got all the shit and we got the subject matter.
Listen, we cancel the class, we're supposed to take C. But dog, why the fuck we get taught by Bruce Lee? Dang, he kicking, his breath be kicking. Every time I look at this nigga, man, he just be tripping, talking what's going over there. I'm like, motherfucker, I don't know, and really I don't care. So don't be talking that shit when I'm back in the class, because half the time, dog, I be sleep on my ass. Front row, don't give a fuck. Look at your eyes, trying to talk this shit, dog, but I get by some way, somehow, and really you don't know, because it's okay, dog, because I'm about that dough. I'm about to go, get off the mic.
Alright. We learn about fortune because he's trying to study the pussy. Niggas wanna get me, they can call me a wussy. You wanna see me, nigga, you can't take shit from me. I'm a hard-headed nigga. Get this money, nigga. I stop for a little minute, I spit it a little quick, and I spit it for a little minute, I spit it, I get on to my toes. Fake niggas, you know what I know. This nigga ain't no pro, he's a clown. Nigga wanna stay down, nigga, get my crown. Nigga, come on, somebody else.
When I get the bitches, they all chill. Give them the dick, they stutter more than Dr. Hill. Girls wanna know why I screw when I screw. Hell coulda, but they wanna get the D-dudda, cause I put it in their back and they be like, they can't. When I give them what they need, I don't give a damn. Gotta feed them like it's just some weed, but I gave them the seed, but it ain't mine. Don't give a fuck, nigga, cause we out of time.
Hey, yo, don't ask me why they call me the contact man. I give you the proof like I was Dr. Lamb. It don't matter, man. You know who I am. We fucking rhyming everybody in this whole wrecked land.
We old like Stanley, we stay old like Daly. Nigga,